Hi there, this is Jishnu and welcome to Exit Strategy. Today we are going to unbox Redmi Note 5, which is the successor of Redmi Note 4. Now let's get along with the unboxing. Redmi Note 5. This is a black variant with 64GB of internal memory and 4GB of RAM. Now let's unbox the phone. We get a plastic case here. It is a black colored silicone case which is really flexible. Now we have the phone itself. It comes with an 18:9 aspect ratio display. It seems stylish enough. And on the back side, we can see IMEI stickers. As you can see, it is slim and really stylish. Overall, it's a great phone. And on the top, you can see noise cancellation, an IR blaster, and a 3.5mm jack. On the bottom, there is a speaker and a mini USB port. Now coming to the front, you can see a selfie camera and a LED flash. On the back side, there is this rear camera of LED flash and a fingerprint sensor. On the right side, there is a SIM tray, and on the left side, there are volume buttons. The phone seems to be very light in weight, although it have a massive 4100 mAh battery. Now let's see what are the accessories inside the box. Here we have some paperwork. One is the warranty card and other is the quick guide manual. Now let's move on to the charging cable. It is of the regular mini USB type, which is getting outdated these days, and it is sad that they didn't provide a Type-C one. It's about 80 cm long. Although the processor supports fast charging, we are only getting a 5V 2A charger. Well, now let's boot up this device. Now let's take out this temporary screen guard out. Fast forwarding the initial setups. Now the device is all set to go. Going to the settings, as you can see, it runs in MIUI 9.2.1 in Nougat platform out of the box. Xiaomi has confirmed that the official Oreo update will be available soon. Now let's see what all system applications are there on the phone. There are about 11 pre-installed G apps. There are about 10 pre-installed Mi apps. 5 pre-installed Microsoft apps. And 4 other external applications. Now let's quickly set up the fingerprint sensors. Fast forwarding it. As you can see, the fingerprint sensors work amazingly fast. Now let's have a quick comparison with the predecessor Note 4. At initial thoughts, well, Note 5 is really better than Note 4. Even the brightness adaptation are much more efficient in Note 5. Now let's have a look on the camera performance. The shutter speed and focusing speed are all the same as that of the predecessor. But they have improved the quality a lot. Attached are some samples. You can see it for yourself. Hope the unboxing video was helpful. For more tech related updates and reviews, subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and keep watching.